Okay, so I just wanted to clarify a little bit about the assignment that you had for this week. I've already had several questions, and I know some of you probably haven't started it, and that's fine, but let's just say you have a triangle in the coordinate plane, and something like this. I didn't use a straight edge, so it's not very straight lines, but you've got one that looks like this, and let's say that you have a vector that looks like this. Now, a vector is not a ray. It is not a ray. That is not a ray. It doesn't mean that this starts here and goes on and on forever. The arrow is showing you which way your image is going to move, your pre-image is going to move. And so it's going to start here, and it's going to go this way, down and to the right. The arrow on this end, it would go up and to the left. Totally different, because up and to the left would put us over here. Down and to the right, it's going to put us over here. So that's why there's an arrow on the end. Okay, so to figure out how far we're going to move, we're going to say, okay, this goes 1, 2, 3 units to the right, and 1, 2 units down. So that would be a -2. And then we have the little square parentheses on the end. That's a vector, okay? All right, so A prime is going to be 1, 2, 3 units over and 2 units down. So right here is going to be our A prime. B prime is going to be 3 units over, 1, 2, 3, and 2 units down. So right here is our B prime. And C prime is going to be 1, 2, 3 units over, and 1, 2 units down. So here is our C prime. And then we can draw this triangle. And this is our pre-image, this is our image after the translation. We translated it 3 units to the right and 2 units down. And we did that because we knew what the vector was. Okay, now let's say that we have we'll make it a square this time. And let's put the actual points in. This is 3, okay, 3, 6 is where this one would be. 4, 5, 6, 6 is where this one is. 3, 2 is this one. And 6, 2 is this one. Okay, so that's our pre-image. And then our image is here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 2, 3, 4, and 3. Okay. All right. So if I know that my image of this point is at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is at 12, 11. And I'm asked to find out what all these other ones are. Well, I can say, okay, what happened? From 3 to 12 was a plus 9. Notice I put that square because I'm talking about a vector. Okay, and so I went up 9, or over to the right 9, and then from 6 to 11, I went up 5. So that's what I'm going to do to every one. So for this one, I'm going to go to 15, 11. So this would be at 15, 11. This one, I'm going to go to the right 9, so that would be 12, and up 5, so that would be 17, 12. That can't be right. That's a 2, not a 12. Sorry, that's a comma in there. So up 5 would be 7, so that's 12, 7. And then this one, over 9 would be 15, and up 5 would be 7. So this one's at 15, 7. Okay? So that's how you do the problems that are in your assignment for this week.